children, good morning. How are you children? I hope you all are fine with your family. Yes. Children, today we will learn class first. Yes children, today we will learn class first social studies. Yes children, now everyone take out your social first class textbook. Okay children, now take out. Yes children, already we learned 10th lesson, let us celebrate. Isn't it children? Yes, notes also completed. Now children, today we learn 11th lesson, ways we travel. Yes children, see, ways we travel. Lesson 11, ways we travel. Yes children, see, what is the lesson? Ways we travel. Yes children, take off, I go to school my bus. A bicycle has two wheelers. A cross help us cross river and lake. Ship. Okay children? See children, we travel when we go from one place to another. Yes children, we travel when we go one place to another place. We use different ways to travel. Yes children, we use different ways of travel like bus, auto rickshaw, car, cycle. Yes children? The different means of transport. Yes children, the difference of means of transport. Take us from one place to another place. Yes children, the transport take us from one place to another place. We travel to school, to work, to market for vacation. Yes even, we travel to school, to work, to the market or for vacation. We use different kinds of vehicles to travel. Yes children, we use different kinds of vehicles to travel. Most vehicles run on wheel, like car and buses. Vehicles that travel on water do not run on wheel. Yes children, vehicles to travel, most vehicles runs on wheel children. Okay, runs to wheel, like car, buses. Okay children, vehicle. And children, water do not run on wheel. Yes children, water do not run on wheels. Vehicles can be fast or slow. Yes children, vehicles are going fast and slow also. Rickshaw, cycle and bullock cart move slowly. Yes children, rickshaw, cycle and bullock cart. You know children, bullock cart? You know rickshaw? Yes. And cycle. These all are going to slow children. Okay? A car, a bus, a train, a metro and aeroplane move fast. Yes children. Car, bus, train, metro, aeroplane. These all are move fast. Okay children. Slow children, what children? Fast, slow. Rickshaw, cycle and bullock cart move slowly. Okay? And car, bus, train, a metro and aeroplane move fast. Yes children. See children, ways we travel. Ways we travel. Vehicles move on land, air or water. Yes children, vehicles move on land, air or water. Land, air and water. Land means earth. Okay children? Air is sky and water. These three things, vehicles are move children. Travel by land. Yes children. In some villages, bullock cart are also used to travel a short distance. Yes, children. Some villages, bullock carts. Yes, children, you know bullock carts, children? See, children, this one. See, children, one cow is there in front and four wheelers. Yes, children, that is bullock cart. Villages move, children. Also travel short distance. Road and railway track are built to help us travel on land. Yes, children, used to travel. Bullock cart travel to short distance. Okay, children, not a long journey. Go to bullock cart. Bullock cart move to only short distance. Road railways tracks are built to help us travel on land. Roads and railway tracks built to help us travel to land, children. Okay, we use boats, ships, other kinds of vehicles travel by water. Yes, children, boats and ships whereby travel, children? Travel by water. Boats and ship. We use an aeroplane, a helicopter, a hot air balloon to travel by air. Yes, children, aeroplane, helicopter and air balloon. See, children, these three pictures. What? Air balloon, helicopter, aeroplane and helicopter, children. These are travel by air. Yes, children, these are travel by, children. See, children, here boat and ship travel by water. Bus, van, car, rickshaw, train, these are travel by land. Yes, children. See, children. See, children, this is bullock cart. See, children, this is bullock cart. Okay. Children, travel by land. Travel by land, cars, cycles and buses. Okay, children, these are travel by land. Okay, next is boat, travel by water. Yes, children, travel by water. What, children? Boat and ship. These are travel by water. Okay, children. Next, travel by air. Yes, children, travel by air. What, children? Helicopter, aeroplane and hot air balloon. Yes, children. See, children, travel by lands, car, cycle, buses. Repeat, children. Travel by land, cars, cycle, buses. See, children, travel by land. These all are travel by land. Car, buses, cycle, train also, children. Train, these all are travel by land. Travel by water. Boat and ship. Yes, children, boat and ship. And travel by air. Helicopter, aeroplane, hot air balloon. See, children. Yes, travel by land, cars, cycles, buses, train. Travel by water, boat, ship. Travel by air, helicopter, aeroplane, hot air balloon. Okay, children, understood? Yes, children. Now, children, your lesson is finished. Now, everyone take out your social class work book. Okay, I'll give some hard words right on the board. you see and write your notebook. Okay, children? Yes, children. First, write the lesson name in your class book. Write the lesson name, lesson number 11. Waves we travel. Write the lesson name, children. Right, children? Yes. Ready, children? I'll give some hard words. Write neatly in your class book. Okay, children? Yes, children. Ready, children? Hard words. First one is transport. 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 Second one, vehicle. Vehicles. Vehicles. Third one, land. 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 Cycle. Fourth one, cycle. Cycles. Cycles. And fifth one, buses. 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 Sixth one, water. 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 Seventh one, BOAT. Boat. Eighth one, ship. 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 Ninth one, air. 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 Tenth one, aeroplane. 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 11th one, helicopter. Yes, children. HELICOPTER. Helicopter. 12th one, hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. 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 Yes, children. First, write in your lesson name in your classroom book. Lesson 11, waves we travel. Okay, children. Next, you write these 12 hard words in your classwork book, children. Okay? Write neatly. Start, children, writing. Yes, children. Finish, children, these hard words. So, children, now repeat this after me, children. Okay? Start, children. Repeat, everyone. Okay? Keep finger on your books. Transport. 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 Yes, children. Transport. 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 Vehicles. 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 Land. 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 Cycles. 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 Buses. 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 Water. 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 Boat. 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 Ship. 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 Aeroplane. 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 Helicopter. 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 Hot air balloon. Hot. Air. Balloon. 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 Hot air balloon. Hot. Balloon. Repeating, children. Yes, repeat, children. Everyone repeat. Hot. Balloon. Helicopter. Helicopter. Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Air. Ship. Ship. Boat. Boat. Water. Water. Buses. Buses. Cycles. 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 Land. Land. Vehicles. 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 Transport. 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 Finish, children, your writing hard words? Yes, children. Today we learn waves we travel. Okay, children? Yes, children. We use different kinds of vehicles to travel. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, children, most vehicles run on wheels. Like car, buses. Okay, children? Vehicles that travel water do not on wheel. Okay? Bullock cart, rickshaw and cycle, bullock cart move slowly, children. A car, a bus move fast. Okay, children. And we use like cars, cycle, buses, on trains to travel by land. Okay, children, land. Next, travel by water. What, children? Boat, ship. Travel by air, travel by a helicopter, aeroplane, and what, children? Hot air balloon. Understood, children, lesson? Yes. Now one more time this repeat hard words, children. Okay? Yes, children. Repeat, children. Transport. T-R-A-N-S. Trans. P-O-R-T. Port. Transport. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Everyone repeat after me, children. Okay? Vehicles. Land. L-A-N-D. Land. L-A-N-D. Land. Cycles. C-Y-C-L-E-S. Cycles. C-Y-C-L-E-S. Cycles. Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Yes, children. Water. Water we travel boat and ship, children. Okay? Water we use boat, ship to other kinds of vehicles to travel by water. Water travel by boat and ship. B-O-A-T boat. S-H-I-P ship. Yes, children. Water is travel by boat and ship, children. B-O-A-T boat. S-H-I-P ship. Air. A-I-R-A. A-I-R-A. Yes, children. We use an aeroplane, helicopter, and hot air balloon. Travel by air. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. Hot air balloon. H-O-T hot. A-I-R-B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. Transport, children. Vehicles, land, cycle, buses. Yes, children. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport, vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S. Vehicles, land. L-A-N-D. Land. C-Y-C-L-E-S. Cycles. B-U-S-E. Yes. Buses. So finish, children. You're writing hard words in your classwork book. Yes. Very good, children. See, children, here. Yes, children. See, bullock cart is there. You know bullock cart, children? See here. Yes, one cow is there and one bullock is there. See, children, and back side is cart. Yes, children, bullock cart. Understood, children, this lesson? What children? Travel by land, like cars, cycle and buses. Travel by land, children. Okay? Travel by water, boat and ship. Travel by air, what, children? Helicopter, aeroplane and hot air balloon. Understood, children, lesson? Yes, very good, children. Now, time for Sakshi. Homework. Homework, children. Write in your classwork book one corner side, children. Okay? Yes, children. Sakshi. Sakshi, children. Lesson number 11. Ways we travel. Hard words. Yes, children. These hard words. One more time, repeat, children, after me. Transport. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Transport. Transport, transport, vehicles, 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 land, 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 cycles, 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 buses, 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 water, 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 boat, 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 ship, ship, AIRA, aeroplane, 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 helicopter, helicopter, yes children, helicopter, helicopter, hot air balloon, hot, AIRBALLON, balloon, hot, AIRBALLON, balloon. Yes children, these hard words, homework write 2 times. Okay children, write Sakshi in your class workbook. Write children, Sakshi, lesson number 11, waves we travel. Hard words, homework, write 2 times. Understood children? These hard words, transports, vehicles, land, cycles, buses, water, boat, ship, aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon. Yes children, these hard words write homework 2 times in your class workbook. Children, your homework is finished. You take the photo. Okay children, your homework is finished. You take the photo and send me school mail ID. That is my school, my homework @gmail.com. You send your homework children. Understood? Yes children. Bye children. I'll meet next section. Bye. Take care.